Talk 14, Body Protection Against Cement. Cement seems safe, right? But contact with it can cause skin injuries. And dust can affect the lungs, especially in high concentrations. How to protect yourself from cement dust? Always wear a respirator, especially if you smoke or have breathing difficulties. Protect your eyes with safety goggles. Use a helmet to complete eye protection, especially on windy days. Back safety. Avoid lifting or moving cement incorrectly. Use a flat shovel to spread concrete, not a concave one. Never lift cement with your hands, drag it into place. Skin protection. Cement and fresh concrete can irritate or burn the skin. Wear rubber gloves, long sleeves, long pants, and disposable coveralls. Use high rubber boots if stepping on fresh concrete. Use knee pads if kneeling on wet concrete. Clothing safety. Do not let clothes get saturated with wet concrete. Wash immediately or change if splashed. If contact occurs, rinse eyes, face, or skin with clean water for several minutes. Use the eye wash station if necessary. Cement is safe if precautions are followed. Neglecting protection can lead to injuries or serious health problems. Protect your body, eyes, and lungs. Work safely with cement.